Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation. And today's topic is very useful your English learning routine.
Your English learning routine. Let's begin.
So, Alex, what is your English learning routine like?
My routine is very simple. I listen, I repeat, I forget, then I learn again.
Yes, English learning is repeat, repeat, repeat.
I try to practice English every day. Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes, small practice makes a big difference.
I listen to podcasts, watch videos, and talk to myself in English.
Same. Talking to myself feels funny, but it works. I also learn new words daily, but remembering them is hard.
Same. I learn a new word today, forget it tomorrow, and learn it again next week.
Vocabulary needs patience.
I practice pronunciation by reading loudly.
Yes, reading out loud improves confidence.
Sometimes I record myself. When I listen, I sound like a confused robot.
No, practice makes you better. I try to speak English with friends, but sometimes friends laugh at my mistakes.
Same. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Exactly. Alex, using English in daily life.
I also try to use English in daily life, like thinking in English or writing notes in English.
Yes, even small things help the brain learn faster.
Some days I feel motivated, some days lazy.
Same, motivation comes and goes, but routine stays.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than perfection.
I also use English apps, videos, podcasts, and good old dictionary.
Yes, technology makes learning easier.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. I practice English every day.
I learn new words slowly.
I am improving step by step.
I make mistakes, but I continue.
My English learning routine helps me grow.
I will stay consistent.
Great why an English learning routine is important. A routine keeps your brain active.
Yes, without routine, English becomes difficult.
Practice helps you speak better, think better, and understand faster.
English is a journey, and routine is your map.
Alex, consistency is the real challenge in learning English.
Yes, some days I study full power, and some days I disappear.
Same. Motivation comes and goes like Wi Fi signal. What is English learning tools?
I use many tools: YouTube videos, English podcasts, short stories, apps, ChatGPT.
Same. Technology helps so much.
Yes, learning English is not difficult now. Just staying regular is difficult.
Many learners have fear of speaking.
Yes, they understand English but can't speak confidently.
Confidence grows slowly. Speaking is a skill, not magic.
Exactly. Practice little by little.
Thinking in English helps a lot.
Yes, if you think in English, your brain gets comfortable.
For example, I am walking, I am cooking, I am waiting. Just simple sentences.
It improves fluency naturally.
Even if you live in a non English country, you can still create an English environment.
Yes, change phone language. Watch English videos. Listen to English songs. Read English subtitles. Talk to yourself in English.
English around you equals easy learning.
One mistake I made, trying to learn everything at once.
Same. Learning English step by step is better.
Yes, daily 10 minutes greater than weekly 2 hours. When you feel stuck.
Sometimes we feel stuck while learning English. No improvement, no progress.
Yes, but that is normal. Every learner feels that.
Exactly. Just don't stop. Keep going slowly.
English is a journey, not a race.
Yes. You don't need perfect glamour. You need confidence.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning.
And enjoy the process. Speaking is hard, but necessary.
Yes, I talk to myself in English sometimes. Like, what should I eat? Where is my bag?
Talking to yourself is the best practice. I also write 5 to 10 lines every day about my day, my feelings, anything.
Yes, writing helps you think in English.
Even small writing is powerful.
I learn 3 new words each day. Not 20, just 3.
Yes, small number equals easy to remember.
And I use those words in a sentence.
Some people stress too much about English.
Yes, but stress doesn't help learning.
True. Relax. Enjoy the process.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I practice English every day.
I learn slowly, step by step.
I am improving my vocabulary.
I listen, read, speak, and write.
I enjoy learning English.
I will keep practicing daily.
Great job.
Why English learning routine matters.
Daily small practice builds confidence.
Yes, you don't need perfection, just progress.
English becomes easy when it becomes daily.
Okay, Mia, this was a helpful topic.
Yes, learning English becomes fun with a routine. If you're enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel, Learn English Easy Way, so you never miss a new episode.
Oh, and one more thing. Share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thanks for listening.
Stay consistent, stay confident, keep learning.
Bye.